What's really interesting for me is taking the functionality of what a client or end user is looking for and then applying the design aesthetic to either meet or exceed what the client's looking for. Working with MetroWall is consistently a positive experience. Ware Malcomb really enjoys working with MetroWall. We really use them as a basis of design on a lot of our projects. They really understand how to work with us as well. They understand the function and form of the space, but also keep in tune the design aesthetics that we're looking for. As early on in the project as we can, we try to bring in MetroWall as our partner. We show them the floor plan, we explain to them the design intent, and from early on, working through the details of how things go together and how things mesh, we work with the MetroWall team. They've been able to provide us details, even sketches of how we can consider certain spaces. The DPR project, as an example, they were able to present a product to us that allowed us to integrate those two main functions together. What excites me most about this project was that we were able to really deepen the collaborative culture of DPR.